In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bridge over to HyperEVM. So firstly, you're going to need a Rabi wallet and you're going to need some Ethereum. So make sure you have some Ethereum in your wallet. Next, we are going to head over to hyperswap.exchange. I will leave a link to this in the description and the pinned comment below. Once you're here, connect your wallet. Next, simply click on Bridge. Next, click this drop down and select Ethereum, and then select Ethereum at the bottom here. You should see your Ethereum balance. Next, type in the amount of Ethereum that you would like to bridge over, or you can hit this max button. That will then tell you how much hype tokens you are going to receive. Make sure that this is on HyperEVM. Next, scroll down and click Confirm Trade. Click Sign and Confirm. That is now done, and if we wait a few seconds, we will receive our hype. You can see there the balance has just changed and we have just received our hype. From here, we can now begin swapping and buying different tokens on the HyperEVM chain. For example, we can go over to DexScreener, dexscreener.com/hyperevm, and these are all of the tokens on HyperEVM. So if we'd like to buy this one, we simply click on the token, copy the token address, head back over to Hyperswap, paste in the token address, import the token, and we can now begin trading this token. And as you can see, I have now bought this token. So that is a tutorial on how to bridge over from Ethereum to HyperEVM. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like rating and consider subscribing for more videos just like this one.